The State Cabinet has approved the standard operating procedures for ensuring time-bound recruitment and promotion in the different government departments. Addressing the media after meeting yesterday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Summers said that SOPs for time-bound recruitment and promotion have been finalized by the Cabinet and it will be implemented by the different heads of departments as well as the different recruitment agencies. He said the MPSC, the DSCs or the Department Selection Committees will be given specific time to fill up those vacancies, conduct examinations and declare results.
We have come out with standard operating procedures for conducting exams, declaring results and advertisements and intimation of vacancies to be done so that the recruitment process is done in a much faster manner. So all the different departments will be asked now to ensure that the vacancies that are there should be intimated within a specific period of time. Supposed to get those promotions, we have figured out a process and a standard operating procedure where departments have been asked to do this entire exercise every 6 months, and different processes to be completed way before the person retires, so that when the person does retire, the promotion and the promotee is ready to take the space so that there is no gap between.
The State Cabinet